I'm going to be running a home pregnancy test on Jenny. I'm using Bellylabs, which does not require you to draw blood in a syringe and then spin it down in a centrifuge. It uses a simple lancet on the inside of the dog's mouth. In the kit, you'll find an instruction sheet, 2 lancets, and they give you 2 just in case you accidentally miss the mark with the first lancet. You can have a second try with the same kit. There is a cotton swab that you will collect blood from the inside of the mouth after you use the lancet on the dog. And then a small tube with some fluid that you take that cotton swab that has the blood on it, put it in the tube, mix it around a few times, and then you'll be using that fluid to put on the cassette for the test itself. And the cassette is very similar to what people are used to for pregnancy tests for humans. You'll be seeing a window with either 1 or 2 lines that tell you whether someone is pregnant or not. So we'll be doing this with Jenny today. Don't lick. You have the blood. Stop. You. All right, this may be easy in terms of not having to hit a vein to get blood in a syringe. But this, come here, baby. I know. This does not look. Don't need saliva, I need, stop. Okay, I'm sorry, baby. That was nasty. Come on, you can get down. I'll get you cookies soon. Now, we get the tube and we swirl it around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we set the timer. Get out of there. For 1 minute. Start it. Break it off. Break it off. 1 minute. And we let it sit there. Okay. Nasty. I'd rather draw blood. But that's just me. Okay. Okay, so now it's a minute. You take this old thing. I just want to knock whatever fluid we do have down at the bottom and then unscrew this. Turn it upside down and then we do 2 drops. 1, 2. And then we do a 10-minute timer for us to read it. Okay, you can see that the C, the control line, is starting to show up. I don't know if I can focus in any closer. Hang on. Can you see the C, the line by the C? Now we're just waiting for the line for the T, the test, to say she's pregnant. Okay, let's see what we got. This is at 10 minutes. Tiny, very faint. We're going to wait 5 more minutes up to the 15-minute mark and then see what we got. Okay, we've got 13 minutes in with only 2 minutes left to go before we call it a day. I think I might be seeing a slight change in the color. A line over the T. What do you think? Well, I'm finally seeing it. I am finally seeing the second line. Wow, talk about a cliffhanger. Okay, congratulations, Jenny. I guess we're gonna clip you down because the last time I kept you in a long coat with your babies, boy did we end up with a mess. So we're gonna make it nice and easy for you this time. All right, guys, so that's the testing. I personally think just drawing blood would be easier. Yeah, you can miss a vein and it takes some practice, but this is kind of nerve-wracking. I don't know, maybe it just takes more practice to use a lancet further up in the mouth. The other thing I think maybe would be helpful is if you dried the inside of the cheek where you're going to be using the lancet so it's dry, maybe you would end up getting more of a drop of blood instead of what I was getting, which was just blood kind of getting smeared all over the place. Just a thought. Let me know what you think.